Coming to an NIC conference in a very short period of time, you're going to have the opportunity to meet the leadership of all the major provider companies. Secondly, you're going to get a crash course in what is seniors housing and what is its potential in healthcare delivery. And thirdly, you're going to be able to have conversations of how you might partner and innovate to deliver better care at lower costs. What we have to have is an integrated, coordinated approach to this individual with their particular history, and that approach follows, and the care providers really follow that individual from one setting to another. When you do that, you have exciting results. So if you're going to bend the cost curve and have better outcomes, one of the places you need to be looking are senior housing or senior living communities. It's a setting where they have an enormous opportunity to drive lower healthcare costs and better outcomes.